Did you know that professional chefs can cut vegetables faster than most people can even think? Meet Kevin, who volunteered to help make dinner for hundreds of people at a school fundraiser. But there was one big problem. Kevin's chopping was so slow and uneven that the entire kitchen team had to wait for him. That's when Professor Brainwave appeared to teach Kevin the secrets of knife skills. First, Kevin learned the proper grip, holding the knife like shaking hands with a friend. Then he discovered the magic rocking motion, keeping the knife tip on the cutting board while rocking it back and forth for perfect, even slices. Professor Brainwave showed Kevin how different cuts have special names and purposes. Thin matchstick cuts called julienne for salads, and tiny square cuts called brunoise for soups. Kevin also learned that sharp knives are actually safer than dull ones, and how to keep different foods separate to stay healthy. Soon, Kevin's clumsy chopping transformed into smooth, rhythmic cutting that amazed everyone. The dinner was served perfectly on time, and Kevin discovered he had a real talent for cooking.
Good day everyone. Our topic for today is all about basic knife skills in cooking. But before we start, let me read the learning objectives first. At the end of the lesson, 95% of the students will be able to A. Identify and explain different knife types and basic cutting techniques. B. Perform proper knife handling and execute basic cutting techniques such as slicing, dicing, and chopping without safety violations. And lastly, demonstrate a positive attitude towards safe and responsible knife handling. Are you positive that we can achieve these learning objectives? Okay, thank you. Introduction. Cooking is an essential life skill, and mastering basic knife skills is the foundation of efficient and safe food preparation. This lesson introduces students to proper knife handling, helping them gain confidence in the kitchen while preventing accidents. So here are some guiding questions. Why are basic knife skills important in cooking? Do basic knife skills help make cooking easier and faster? We will find out later. Let me introduce to you the different types of kitchen knives. Knowing different kitchen knives helps improve safety, cutting accuracy, cooking speed, and proper food preparation for different ingredients and tasks. So the first one is the chef's knife. It is a large multi-purpose knife used for chopping, slicing, dicing, and even mincing foods. The second one is the paring knife. It is a small knife designed for peeling, trimming, and detailed cutting tasks carefully. And the last one is the bread knife. It is a rated knife used for slicing bread without crushing soft baked products. Let me share with you the proper knife handling. The first one is the correct grip or the pinch grip. Using the correct pinch grip improves knife control, cutting accuracy, and safety. It reduces hand fatigue, prevents slipping accidents, and helps achieve faster, smoother, and more efficient food preparation tasks. The second one is the proper body posture. Maintaining proper body posture while cutting improves balance, comfort, and safety. It reduces muscle strain, prevents injuries, increases cutting efficiency, and allows better focus and control during food preparation activities. So here are the three basic cutting techniques. So the first one is slicing. Slicing refers to cutting food into thin, flat pieces using a knife. The example of slicing is like slicing bread, tomatoes, or meat. The second one is dicing. It refers to the cutting food into small, even cube-shaped pieces. The example of this is dicing carrots or potatoes. And the third one is the chopping. It refers to the cutting food into irregular or rough pieces, usually larger and less uniform than diced pieces. The example of this is chopping onions or herbs. Let me share with you this motivational message. Basic knife skills are the foundation of good cooking. Knowing your knives, handling them properly, and mastering cutting techniques make cooking safer, faster, and more confident in every kitchen. Good knife skills are essential in cooking. They improve speed by making preparation faster, ensure safety by reducing accidents, and enhance food preparation by creating clean, uniform cuts and that make dishes more appealing. So here are the safety practices we should observe. First is keeping knives sharp. Keeping knives sharp improves cutting efficiency, safety, and accuracy. Sharp knives require less force, reduce slipping accidents, prevent ingredient damage, and make food preparation faster, smoother, and more comfortable overall. And the second one is proper storage. Keeps knives safe, organized, sharp, and prevents accidents. And lastly, safe cutting techniques is cut away from the body. Cutting away from your body is important because it helps prevent injuries and accidents. If the knife slips while cutting, the blade moves away from you instead of towards your hands, fingers, or body. This improves safety, control, and proper knife handling in the kitchen. Did you learn something new from our discussion? If yes, I'm glad to know that you gained new knowledge and understanding. So here are your assessment activities. For the activity 1, it is identification. You are going to identify the type of knife shown in the pictures. And for the performance task, in the activity 2, it is demonstration. Students will demonstrate proper knife grip and perform slicing, dicing, and chopping. So here are the guide questions and criteria for the demonstration. What is the correct way to hold a knife? Why is knife safety important? And what cutting technique is best for vegetables? For the accuracy of technique, it is 30 points. And for safety and practices, it is 20 points. And for the cleanliness and organization, it is 50 points with a total of 100 points. And that's all for today. Thank you and God bless. Bye.